Hello, right, basically, my last video failed. I'm not going to talk about what it was, but I'm just introducing myself to the world of vlogging. So my name's Alfie Stockwell. I'll be starting vlogging, because I wanted to start because I saw the likes of Charlie So Cool, like, and Nerimon. They're pretty cool, so I'll put their channels in the description. Yeah, basically, if you leave some comments in the comment section of questions you want to ask me, I'll answer them to a sensible degree. And yeah, I'll just introduce myself to everyone. Be quite fun. Hopefully we get along. I have quite strong views sometimes, so yeah, a lot will happen. I'm quite dedicated to making these videos actually. So that's basically my introduction. Okay, bye.